Welcome to FK iPhone. Today we're diving into the newly launched Samsung Galaxy A47, a mid-range smartphone that's catching attention in 2025 for all the right reasons. Let us take a closer look at what this device offers, from design to performance, and whether it deserves a spot in your pocket. Starting with the exterior, the Galaxy A47 carries Samsung's sleek and modern design language. The phone features a smooth matte back with a polished frame that gives it a premium look without the flagship price. It's slim, lightweight, and easy to hold, perfect for one-handed use. The rear camera setup is cleanly aligned vertically in the corner, adding to the minimalist vibe. The front side is mostly screen with minimal bezels and a small punch-hole cutout for the selfie camera. Speaking of the display, you get a large vibrant AMOLED panel that's bright, colorful, and sharp. Whether you're streaming videos, gaming, or just browsing, the screen offers great clarity and smooth visuals thanks to the improved refresh rate. Samsung really nailed the display game again, making the A47 feel like a higher-end device when you look at it and use it daily. Under the hood, the Galaxy A47 is powered by a new efficient chipset that handles multitasking with ease. Apps open quickly, switching between tasks is smooth, and casual gaming runs without hiccups. It may not be a powerhouse like Samsung's flagship models, but for everyday use, it gets the job done confidently. You also get plenty of storage and RAM options to choose from, making sure the phone doesn't slow down over time. Now let us talk about the cameras. On the back, you have a solid triple camera setup designed for versatile shooting. The main lens captures detailed shots in daylight and does a decent job in low light as well. You also get an ultra-wide and a macro lens for extra creativity. The selfie camera on the front is good for casual photos and video calls, offering clear results with nice color tones. Battery life is another strong point here. The A47 can easily last a full day on a single charge with moderate to heavy use. Fast charging is supported, so you can top up quickly when needed. Samsung has also added some smart battery optimization features to extend performance without sacrificing power. As for software, the phone runs the latest One UI version based on Android, which means you get a clean interface with useful customizations and security updates for the coming years. There are fewer pre-installed apps and more focus on user experience this time around. To wrap it up, the Samsung Galaxy A47 is a well-rounded budget-friendly phone that looks good, performs well, and delivers on the essentials. It's not trying to be flashy, but it knows exactly what it is. For those who want a reliable device without spending a fortune, this might just be the perfect pick. Thanks for watching FK iPhone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech breakdowns.